Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to log out of Robinhood Wallet application on your mobile device. So let's get started since it's pretty easy. Open the Wallet application from your app drawer. After you're inside the main home page of Robinhood Wallet, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Now, tap on the menu button located at the top left-hand corner, which will then take you to a new page where you can simply spot the Remove Wallet button at the bottom. Before deleting or removing your wallet, you'll first need to make a backup for your wallet. So, if you've not done that already, tap on Backups and Security. Now, tap on the Secret Recovery Phrases button under Backup. It'll then show you this recovery phrases on the next page. Simply tap on the screen where it says Tap to View Phrase, and you'll be able to make your recovery phrases visible. Once you get hold of it, simply go ahead and back it up somewhere else safe. You can simply tap on Copy to Clipboard button at the bottom and then paste in the phrases somewhere else secure where no one will be able to get access to them. Once you have your backup done, you can go ahead and get to this My Wallet page and then tap on Remove Wallet. Tap the Remove Wallet button one more time and you'll be able to log out of your Robinhood wallet. As long as you have the recovery phrases with you, you can get back to your wallet anytime you want. That is how you can easily log out or sign out of Robinhood Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.